many different organizations, but as one unit. They are the fundamental principles and purposes of our organization. This emblem represents Skills USA.
Do not let tonight be the highlight of your year. As you go back to your individual schools, I challenge you to take on the lessons of respect, honor, and leadership that you have all heard and pledged to uphold in each of your individual career programs. Set the standard that you represent and teach your fellow peers to follow it the same way. As John Quincy Adams said about leadership, if your actions inspire others to dream more, to learn more, to do more, and become more, you are a leader. Enjoy tonight's festivities and be a leader tomorrow. Thank you.